Airlines are charging more for carry-ons and checked baggage fees keep going up. But there's a way to beat the system, packing everything you need in just a personal item bag. With the right strategy, you can travel light, stay organized, and avoid extra fees. Here's exactly how to do it. First, choose the right bag. Airlines allow a personal item that fits under the seat, typically around 18 by 14 by 8 inches. A backpack or small duffel with multiple compartments works best. Next, focus on the essentials and use a packing list. Stick to versatile clothing that can mix and match. Choose neutral colors, lightweight fabrics, and items that layer well. A simple outfit formula, 2 bottoms, 3 tops, 1 outer layer, and 1 pair of shoes, covers most trips. Now, use space-saving techniques. Roll clothes tightly instead of folding to maximize space and prevent wrinkles. Packing cubes keep things compressed and organized. A vacuum-sealed bag can reduce bulk even more, especially for colder climates. Shoes take up the most space, so wear the bulkiest pair on the plane. Sneakers or boots stay on your feet, while sandals or flats can fit inside your bag. Pack socks inside shoes to save room. For toiletries, go minimal and solid. Stick to travel-size essentials or solid alternatives like shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and bar soap. Use a resealable bag to prevent leaks. Most hotels provide basics like soap and lotion, so there's no need to bring extras. Electronics and chargers should go in an easy-to-reach pocket. Use a compact travel adapter and a multi-purpose charging cable instead of separate ones for each device. Keep documents, credit cards, and cash in a slim travel wallet. Lastly, follow the one-bag rule. If it doesn't fit, leave it behind. Stick to the essentials and trust that you'll have everything you need. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. With a well-organized personal item bag, you can breeze through security, skip baggage fees, and move through your trip with ease. Travel smarter, pack lighter, and enjoy the journey.